This is death descending from the sky, capable of snapping the neck of a bird mid-flight. Meet the Peregrine Falcon, the fastest bird in the world. It uses a hunting method called the stoop technique, where it soars high into the sky and then dives toward its prey. During the dive, it reaches an astonishing speed of 390 kilometers per hour. With this rocket-like attack, it strikes its prey, making it its meal. The attack is so swift and lethal that the prey hardly realizes it's being attacked, let alone from which direction.